like me better when I wasn't yours. I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back to who I was before. I like me better, I like me better, I like me better, yeah, yeah.
Hey guys, it's Cindy. Today I'm here to do a tutorial on this look. It is actually inspired by Vanessa Hudgens, and I asked you guys on Instagram to pick between two of her looks, and most of you wanted to see this peachy look, so here I am delivering. I've always wanted to do a Vanessa Hudgens inspired makeup tutorial because she's my mom and I've loved her ever since I was a little girl, so I hope I give it some kind of justice. But I did do a peachy monochromatic look, so my eyes, my blush, and my lips are all peachy toned, and my face is pretty like glowy and dewy, which is super good for the summer as well. So if you guys want to see how I did this look, then just keep on watching. Okay, so I did my moisturizer and my brows off camera just to save time, but I will be recreating this look. I tried to find my peachiest makeup and try to work with all of that. So I will try to recreate this. Try keyword, because she's so pretty. I don't know. Also, don't mind my nails. I'm just gonna address it now. It just looks so bad. I just don't have nail polish remover, so sorry. I'm gonna be using the ColourPop No Filter Concealer, and this one is in the shade of medium 20. I'm just using a concealer because I've been liking using concealers lately to prime my eyes. I'm just gonna do that all over my eyes. I also don't have a peach dress or peach shirt, so I have this like kind of taupe shirt that I feel like I've used in a video before, but all I wear is black, so what am I gonna do? I'm gonna be using the Sweet Talk palette for most of this look because it is very peachy toned, which was perfect. So I might use two colors. So I'm gonna take Dream Maker, just this really nice peachy shade on the very end, and kind of just put that on my crease, just to build up a shade. So I'm just gonna try my best to kind of wing it out because the look did look very winged out, even though there's no like eyeliner or anything. I'm just gonna flick it upwards kind of. Now I'm just gonna kind of work it into my lid just because I don't think there was anything cut creasy about it, so I'm not gonna ignore my lid. So I'm gonna try to show it some love with the same color. I'm gonna go into the shade called Meadow, and this one is more peachier than the one that we were using, and I'm just gonna kind of keep building up to this color because it's super peach. Like everything about this look is just peachy keen. So we're just gonna keep building up. Not really doing anything super fancy. What I'm doing is I'm kind of going on my crease a bit and then kind of flicking it upwards and then going a little bit on my lids if I have excess product. So that's what we're doing. I might use one more shade because it does look a bit more deep, but I feel like it's the lighting of the picture. And I'm gonna just be taking this shade called ICYMI. I don't know what that means, but just this deep, the most kind of deep peach shade in this palette. And I'm just gonna keep building it up, doing what I'm doing already, not really doing anything crazy, but trying to just deepen it up a little bit. Yeah, that already kind of helped to deepen it. So maybe actually I lied. I might just put this on my crease. Just on my crease and flicking it upwards. This is so easy. I'm just using one brush for these three shadows. Like I'm not really making it super complicated. So I lied. I'm actually gonna take just like any clean blending brush just to blend out the edges because it is getting a little out of hand, so I want to make sure that I'm blending it out with just a clean brush, nothing on it, so no like more product goes on it. This shade called Melody right here, I'm just gonna take it and kind of pop it in the middle. I don't know if you can see that, but I'm just gonna pop it in the middle Wish I had my nails done for this, but it looks so bad. I'm just gonna do that. Oh, I love that. Okay, so it kind of just adds like a kiss of something, which is so cute. Oh, so I'm gonna just kind of stop, like not going up too high, just kind of like stop on my crease, kind of. Yeah, it's kind of, does that look the same? I don't even know if this looks the same. I'll be honest. It's a recreation, so I'm not gonna, you know, like if it doesn't look the same, I'm sorry. Like you could definitely stop here, but I'm gonna take Garden Date, which is a bit more corally. I'm just gonna put it in the same finger, but kind of just in the middle. Like I'm not gonna put this in too much. Just gonna kind of like that. Gives it a little something. So since I'm done with the eyes, I'm now gonna just go on with my face, and I'm gonna be using the Touch and Soul No Problem Prime Essence. I'm gonna take my Fenty Beauty foundation. So I'm just gonna put this all over. My camera might die any second, so fingers crossed I can finish this video, because I don't know. I'm gonna take the concealer in a medium 20 just to conceal under my eyes. Salvage what I've been doing. Bake just a little bit under my eyes. I'm gonna be using the Fit Me loose powder in Fair 10 just to bake a little bit. So I'm gonna set the rest of my face using this ColourPop No Filter Sheer Pressed Powder in medium dark, and I'm just gonna set everywhere else that I didn't bake. Okay, so I look a bit different from the last clip because I had to step off to charge my camera, which was super annoying. Lashes on, and I used the LMX Beauty Dream Queen lashes. These are super wispy. It has a wispy effect, but it isn't thick, which I usually always put thick like lashes on, so I'm not super like used to this, but it is super light. So if you're not super like fond of thick lashes, this is really great. Anything kind of wispy from like the drugstore even works. But yeah, so I just have some wispy lashes. Wiped off my like bake, and then I also did my bronzing and contouring. I used the Chocolate Soleil bronzer from Too Faced to bronze, and then just my contour kit from Anastasia, like the powder one, to contour. And then I baked under my contour because her contour was super, so I had to do that. I think that's all I did off camera. Nothing super integral to the look, because I wanted to do the blush and everything else on camera. Okay, so I'm gonna take the Alamar Cosmetics Colorete Blush Trio, and this one is in the shade Medium Tan, and I'm gonna use the color Seclusion just on here. I don't know if you can see, but it did a super peachy like blush. I don't know what I'm trying to say. She wasn't super blushed on the picture, so I'm just gonna do that here, which is super cute because it ties in with the eyes, which I really like. This blush in particular, I feel it gives me a super dewy finish, because I feel like it might be the shimmer in the powder, or if, I don't know, like if there is any shimmer in the powder, but it makes my skin look dewy even after baking, because I don't know, I feel like there's a sheen that makes it super dewy. So you don't always have to put oil under your foundation to make you look dewy. There's like actually products that make it look dewy without you being oily, you know what I mean? My favorite highlight, and this is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Amrezy highlight. I focus the highlight right here because that's what it looked like in the picture. So not too much, but I do like a good highlight, so I'm gonna highlight that right over here. I'm gonna highlight my nose as well, because I gotta, and my Cupid's bow. I'm actually also just gonna dust this over my brow bone, just as a highlight. I think putting more highlighter makes me look dewy. Yeah. I'm gonna finish off with my eyes, and I'm just going to take the Sweet Talk palette again. I'm just gonna take Meadow and ICYMI. I don't know what that means. On like an under eye brush, and just dust that on my under eyes. So now I'm going to take the colors side to side. I'm going to be using this just as a pop of glitter. And that, like, it looks kind of cool like that. I'm just going to take Melody, just the color that we used all over my lid, just to put, just to zhuzh it up where I put the glittery shade. Like add something to it. All I need to do is the lips. Now, I don't have like a super peachy lip gloss, so I'm just going to be using the Dominique Cosmetics Lemonade lip gloss in Strawberry Lemonade. And then I'm also going to take the Sunny's Face Vacay Fluff Matte Lipstick. So I'm just going to use this. I'm not going to like line my lips or anything. I'm just going to kind of work with this. Kind of dab it onto my lips. Using this, I'm just going to put it right on top. I think we're pretty much done. I'm just going to set my face with this one, and this is the Make It Last Milani. The spritz of this though is very like you know. Alrighty, so this is the finished look. I actually added just this Wonder pencil from NYX just on my waterline, and this one is in the shade Deep. It's kind of just like this nude pencil because I felt like I needed something on my waterline. But other than that, that completes this look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I had a lot of fun doing it. It was super simple, but still kind of like has something about it that's kind of extra, which I really, really like. So if you guys like this video, definitely let me know in the comments if you guys want to see any more tutorials of anyone, recreations, whatever. Leave it down there so I know. So yeah, that completes this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Comment down below what you guys want to see next. Subscribe if you haven't already. Follow me on all my social media. The links will be in the description box below. So I hope you guys have a great day or night or whenever you're watching this, and I'll see you guys very, very soon. Bye!